Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Join me for this evening detox Qigong routine to cleanse the body and relax for the night. You can practice this any time of the day to reset and unwind. Now let's get started. Stand, feet hip width. Stack your hands over your lower dantian. Gentle breathing through the nose. Slow exhale through your lips. This breathing technique will relax the whole body. 2 more times. Inhale through the nose, mouth gently open. Exhale, slowly release the turbidity. Release your hands to your sides for Tai Chi opening. Float arms up and lower down. Effortlessly lift the arms up. Feel the energy flowing through every joint. There's no sharp corner there. Slightly bending the knees as you lower the arms. Moving with ease. When we practice Qigong, it's important to wear comfortable clothes. If you like the outfit I'm wearing, there's a discount code and the link in the description. This is from Slightly Buddha. I like the name too. And now bring your hands over your abdomen. Slowly lift your left arm as you inhale. Exhale. Press the other hand down towards the earth, but across your abdominal. The extended arm goes towards the other side of the body, feeling the stretch on your left side. Inhale, alternate the arms. Exhale, press the bottom hand towards the right side. Other arm closer to your head and stretch. Press into the palms, spiraling the arms inward as you bring them back, and then alternate, rotating the arms outward and stretch again. Feel the stretch through your waist, boosting the flow of qi along the liver meridian. Spiral the arms, have the pinky facing the face while extending the other arm up. This movement helps detoxify the body, improve circulation, and promote emotional balance. Bring the arms back. And extend the arms up, fingers to touch, connecting the energy point. And lower the arms down, shake. 2 more times. Open the mouth, breathe it out. Let go of any built-up tension from the day and shake it out. Last one. Hands over the hips for hip rotation. Send the hips out to the side. Circle it towards the other side. Release stiffness in the lower back and the hip region. Change direction. And rise up. Shake the body, swing side to side. Gently twist into the spine. Finding this happy and soothing energy. And then place your hands over your thigh. Slide hips back, lengthen through your chest. Project your chest forward. Lift the chin and then round into the spine. Rise up. This is the dolphin. If you have lower back issues, the key is to move gently and mindfully. Always stay within a comfortable range of motion. Slowly rise to stand. Now step your left foot out to the side. Hold your arm in front of your chest. Inhale. Exhale as you push forward and up. This is parting the clouds. Hands come back, then push forward and up again. As you part your hands, shift your weight to your back leg. Move the weight to the front leg as you push forward. Synchronize the movement with your breath. Inhale back, exhale forward. And bring the hands back. Turn to the other side. This movement stimulates the lungs and invigorates the heart. Imagine parting heavy clouds, allowing light and fresh energy to flow in, clearing away stress and tension. Come back to center. Bring the hands in front of your abdomen as if you're holding an energy ball. Palms are facing each other. Inhale, feel the energy expand, pushing your elbows to the side, spiraling the arms, and turning the palms out. Exhale, bring the hands closer, the back of the hands to touch. Inhale, hands to chest. Exhale, push forward. Inhale, circle the arms out and about. Exhale, come back and repeat. This is Embrace the Tiger, Return to the Mountain. The tiger is a metaphor for energy. The mountain, a symbol of calm and stability. As we move through this gentle flow, we are letting go of the energy we have been carrying all day. Thoughts, tension, the rhythm of work. Let the body soften. Let the breath guide you home. Each movement helps us return to a calm state where we can feel more grounded and more present, like coming back to the mountain. Circle arms back. Bring your hands to interlace. Cross the thumb and index finger. We're going to use this part of the thumb to massage the Ren channel, one of the two main energy channels of the body. Starting from beneath the sternum, past the navel and down. This is the Tui Fu, one of the powerful healing practice. Keep the movement slow and steady, applying light to moderate pressure. Let your breath stay soft and connected. Nine more times. The Yin channel is associated with the calming energy. This calms the parasympathetic nervous system. Prepare the body to relax, to unwind. Tui Fu also helps balance emotions and support digestion. Now hold your hands over your abdomen, close your eyes, soft and deep breathing in through the nostrils, out through your lips. The mouth is barely open. 2 more cycles of nourishing, calming breath. Friends, thank you for practicing with me. I hope you feel lighter and more relaxed, ready for a restful night. Please let me know how it went for you, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.